Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up a custom domain and email in System.io. Begin on your System.io dashboard. From here, look to the top right corner for your account profile. Hover your mouse over it to reveal the menu. On touch devices, a single tap opens the same options. Choose Settings. On the Settings page, find Custom Domains in the left-hand menu and open it. In the Custom Domains area, look to the top right and select Add Domain. A field will appear where you can type your domain. Enter the domain you already own, such as yourbrand.com, or a subdomain like pages.yourbrand.com if that's how you prefer to route traffic. When the spelling looks correct, click Save. Saving tells System.io to expect traffic from that address. In many cases, you'll see on-screen guidance to connect DNS records at your domain registrar. That's normal. You're proving you control the domain and pointing it to your funnels and pages. Keep your registrar login handy and carefully copy any record values exactly as shown. DNS changes can take time to propagate across the internet, anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. So don't worry if your domain doesn't work immediately. After saving, your domain will appear in the custom domains list. If the platform indicates verification is pending, just give it time and refresh occasionally. If you chose a subdomain, make sure it's one you've created at your registrar. If you use your root domain, be aware this can affect any existing website or DNS records you already have, so plan accordingly. This custom domain step also lays the groundwork for branded email. Once the domain exists in your account, System.io can guide you to authenticate email by adding DNS records like SPF and DKIM, and possibly a tracking record to improve deliverability. Follow the prompts you see in your account, use the same registrar access you used for the domain connection, and double-check each character when adding values to avoid typos. A few quick tips as you work. Confirm you're signed into the correct System.io workspace. Keep your domain spelling consistent, and avoid adding stray spaces before or after the domain name. If you encounter errors, clear your browser cache, or try a private window, then recheck the DNS values provided. Finally, be patient with propagation and return to the custom domains page to confirm the status. That's it. You've opened settings, navigated to custom domains, added your domain, and saved it, setting the stage for a professional branded web and email presence in System.io.